Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol OCGN. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. I'm not sure what I mean by 30-minute. I do offer an explanation video at that link. Well, quite the eventful day today, not only from the price action standpoint, but you look down there and just absolutely monster volume. Although I will say a pretty confusing chart. Is this chart bullish? Is this chart bearish? It really depends on perspective because, I mean, this thing came roaring out of the gates, but now you look at it and a very big pullback. Now, you can't quite say a crash because it's not like it, dropped all the way back to where it was, but I mean, it certainly has a very big pullback. So, I mean, is this bullish or bearish? Like I said, I understand your confusion, and in my mind, there's a very straightforward way to now kind of gauge, is this a bullish or bearish chart moving forward? And that's right there at $6.70. Why is that level helpful? Why is this level important? And I'm not saying this is what's going to happen, but for explanation's sake, let's say the price does come down to $6.70 and then breaks down through there. At that point in time, what would you have? You would quite literally have the price having gone right back inside of that range that it just broke out of. Or said another way, that would imply the price exploded upwards to then go right back to where it was. Not exactly a sign of power. But to be fair, nothing can just go straight up either. So maybe the price comes down here, behaves in that manner, and then starts to curl itself around. Now all of a sudden, what would you have? Well, you'd have a set of lows right there. You'd have lows right there, and if you envision each of those as stair steps, well, you still do have progress being made in the upwards direction, and that's what truly bullish moves do, right? That's what genuine strength is just showing signs of progress. So 670 is basically acting as our dictionary, meaning is the price, quote-unquote, going back to where it was? That associated with a bearish chart, or is the price, quote-unquote, making progress? That associated with a bullish chart. So in my mind, 670 is by far the most important level to watch moving forward over the next several days. So let's see how the price behaves relative to that area. First off, thanks so much for watching the entire video. Real quick, before you go, I want to invite you to a live webinar, web class, training, workshop, online event, whatever you want to call it, but it will be me live revealing to you what I've discovered that has allowed me to transform myself from being an employee to being my own boss, including how I had only one losing day out of 73 days in total. I'm going to cover 3 keys that have helped me unlock profitable consistency within the markets. The first key is super weird, but in a productive type of way. The second key is super awesome because it quite literally is wired into our DNA as humans, making it very easy to use. But in a cruel way, this becomes a pitfall for many traders. I'll explain it all though, including how to avoid the pitfall that it creates for some. And yeah, the third key, when you hear it, sounds way too good to be true, but it's not, and I'll show you how it all works. Then at the end, I open it up for a question and answer session that is, again, totally live. Even if you can't make the live session, please still sign up as it will be recorded, and you can go back and watch the replay that I will send you. Click the image on the screen or click the link down in the description box so you can get the date and time and claim your spot, which I should note is limited due to the fact that this truly is a live event. If you have any questions, let me know. If not, I'll be seeing you soon.